This is Erwin Schrödinger, and this is his cat. This is the same cat, but it's dead. Boo. But it's also alive. Woo. But it's actually still dead. What? According to Schrödinger, whose theory includes poisoned cat food, it's both dead and alive at the same time until it's observed. This is true because theoretical physics. Which brings us to Kickstarter. Back our project to get your very own Schrödinger's cat the game, where inside you'll find a happy little live kitty or a sad little dead one. But don't open it. Seriously, don't do it. The only rule is to never open the box. You will lose the game. And if you're a person who just has absolutely no self-control, well, we have a reward for that.